Unang katanungan po, Willard Sheng.
Bigat naman si
ABS-CBN.
Willard ko agad. Willard. Okay.
Hi, sir, Mr. President. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, kumusta ho yung naging pagboto nyo?
Bah, siyempre, ang laking difference noong 2010. No, as you remember, hindi natin nagamit yung PICOS machine. So para tayo, for the first time, gumagamit yung PICOS machine. So mabilis. No? That's the first comment, mabilis yung proseso.
Sir, ano po ang naging assessment nyo sa conduct of elections initially, sir?
Well,
Kung
initially, binibrief, I asked the NORCOM commander, for instance, if there were, parang halos wala tayo narinig kasing election-related violence masyado no, in his area of concern or his area of responsibility. Although last night, nagkaroon rin yata sa Isabela. Parang very proactive, all of our security services, of both the PNP and the AFP. Merong mga incidences of violence na, sabi ko, yesterday I was in contact with the Director General of the PNP. Daan na lahat ng preparations ulit, make sure that we have done everything possible to ensure na peaceful ang ating pong elections. No, so far, I'll be going back home. We have a meeting scheduled about 2 o'clock para to give you an update of what's happening everywhere in the country with regards to the elections. Tsaka yung ating mga foreign affairs at this point in time. No?
Sir, nabanggit niyo po yung foreign affairs. Ano na po ang latest tungkol po dun sa Taiwan?
The commander of the Coast Guard vessel is in Manila already. He is either will be or undergoing already an investigation. There was a death, no? I-review kung tama ang lahat ng naging proseso. Then when our Department of Foreign Affairs is in touch with their counterparts, no, precisely to para not let the incident have repercussions not wanted by any sector or any group.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Pangalawang tanong po from Junri Hidalgo, DZMM.
Magandang umaga po, Mr. President. Ano po yung atas nyo kay Energy Secretary Petilla sapagkat nakarating po yung information sa amin na malaking bahagi po ng Batangas ngayon ang wala pong kuryente?
Meron raw failed na transformer ang report niya. They expect power to be restored within 1 to 1.5 hours. When I was in touch with him bago nitong election, sabi niya power should be the least of the concerns, especially for the PICOS machines. No? I understand that they have an ability to be self-energizing. But even given that, they shut down the transformer to lessen any chances of impact on the grid. And they expect within 1 to 1.5 hours, the portion of Batangas and Calamba, Laguna, will have a restoration of power.
Opo. Isolated case po ito at hindi na po lalawak sa iba pang lugar.
Ganda sana sabihin, guaranteed yan, no?
Opo.
Pero kung naalala niyo, yung nagkaroon tayo ng power outage na trace yun sa switches na 25 years old. Okay, yung ating power plants na hydro sa Mindanao, good for 30 years. Papunta na tayo ng 60 years. Or nasa 60 years yata ngayon. So, after nung power outage, binalikan nila lahat para masigurado nga na kung meron bang components. Yung nag-fail kasi are scheduled to be replaced by next year. So, napaaga. Binalikan nila lahat, tinignan kung meron bang talagang kailangan ng mapalitan ng mga pyesa. Switches in somewhere in Southern Tagalog, hindi ko maalala ngayon. Pero, sabi ni Secretary Ikot, talaga inikutan nila ulit just to make sure that to the best efforts humanly possible, ma-ensure natin continuous power supply today.
Phone in lang po to, Mr. President, kung
Phone in
maparapati niyo po.
Sige. Okay.
Opo, Mr. President, alam naman natin, namin na 12-0 po ang boboto nyo or binoto nyo kanina. Pwede ho bang malaman kung sino po yung una nyo binoto?
Yung unang nasa listahan. Dinaanan ko dahil hinanap ko siyempre lahat. No? Si Sunny, I think, is number 1 on the list. Number 1 on my list.
Dahil po alphabetically po yung pagkakaboto.
Sinundan ko lang, tapos sinigurado ko lang, baka naman may nalaktawan pa tayo doon sa 12 natin. No? I am sure that I voted for her. At last, syempre si Cynthia.
Okay. Maraming salamat po.
Okay.
Okay.
Ganda nila ako sa senatorial. Okay. Joy.
Okay po.
May privacy of the vote. Okay. Sige na.
Okay, si Lirina Del Mundo, Shimbun.
Sir, regarding po sa Taiwan ulit, kasi Taiwan already made an ultimatum of 72 hours until Wednesday for us to issue an apology and to give compensation to the victim's family, or else daw po sanctions will be given to us like cutting the, parang they will freeze the hiring of OFWs and they will recall their representative here and they will ask the Philippine government to...
Pwede ba sagutin ko ganito lang, no? Hindi ganun na nire-report sa atin ng MECO. Pag magko-comment tayo in that level, ginagaranti natin na mag-escalate yung issue. So I think it is in the interest of both parties to proceed on a calm basis. So we are proceeding in that manner.
So right now, there's this communication between MECO and TECO, sir.
And I of course, course it through the DFA, no? As the Secretary for Affairs to monitor, but the lead person has to be MECO because of the One China policy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay po. Sir.
Sige, sige. Can you use the mic so, ano, para walang magreklamo na...
Hi, hello po. Nevi Calma po of ABS-CBN North Central Zone. So sir, ano po yung thoughts niyo dun sa pagpaslang po dun sa mayoralty candidate sa San Jose?
Kausap ko yung PD kagabi. And I was following it up precisely. Sabi ko, matagal lang walang violence dito sa Tarlac. So they have a suspect. They've identified and they are present. I understand they have witnesses also that will buttress the case now once this person is captured. There are ongoing operations to bring the perpetrators to justice.
Okay, so in a way, sir, disappointed po kayo na ito po yung first case ng election-related incident.
You're assuming it's election-related. There are other angles that are being looked into.
If ever, sir, na ito po ay election-related.
Mayroon pong speculation yata kasi the angle that they're looking to precisely is more of a personal nature.
Okay.
Dating back several years.
Okay,
Okay.
sige po. Thank you.
Okay. Lano,
Okay
sir.
tayo?
Okay. Thank you po, Mr.
Thank you.
President. Thank you, MPC. Thank you, Toler.